When people write lies about you and you know that they are lies, that means they don't know the truth. Truth gets well if she is run over by a locomotive while Edith dies of lockjaw if she scratches her finger. I am not a liar, I am a truth teller. If any man seeks for greatness, let him forget greatness and ask for truth, and he will find both. Light is a symbol of truth. Betrayal is the only truth that sticks. If the truth contradicts deeply held beliefs, that is too bad. The scientist is motivated primarily by curiosity and a desire for truth. No one ever tells us the truth, even those we love. Nobody speaks the truth when there is something they must have. Truth disappears with the telling of it.